Y'all already know what the fuck going on, Millie Mill in this motherfucker.
Excellent cut with, and what we doing today, man?
Yo, most disturbing thing on a doorbell cam.
25 of them things. I don't know what the hell we finna get into.
Let's see what's disturbing around this motherfucker.
Y'all ready? Let's fucking go.
In Cincinnati, Ohio, doorbell camera captured the instant when a masked man approached a stranger's residence, finding the door unlocked.
Go get a job.
This is why you make sure your door is locked before going to bed.
She could be in my room.
Daylight, a chilling video captured an English
She's like a
Nah, G.
That's not the movie no more.
Hell no. Her ass look like an alien. I thought she was the intruder.
I ain't gonna lie, I thought she was bad as hell.
She looked bad.
In broad daylight, a chilling video captured in Anchorage, Alaska, depicts a highly unsettling woman attempting to use a tool to unlock someone's door.
She actually don't look that bad.
She don't.
I'm home, baby.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can give it now.
What's she trying to do? Oh, what the hell is that? That bitch trying to take the camera off. Y'all motherfuckers weird out there, bro. Go get a job. Go do something with your life, bro. This is sad as fuck. We got you on camera, bitch.
Picture this scenario. You wake up one morning and decide to check the
hell is that?
camera footage recorded overnight
a moose?
while you were peacefully asleep. As you eagerly glance through the footage, your eyes widen in astonishment and amusement when you witness a surprising
That motherfucker
sight.
bigger than my
A
car.
majestic moose is casually strolling
Moose
around your
big as
driveway
fuck.
and exploring the front porch area of your
That look like
house.
a male
It
moose too.
seems to have taken an unexpected detour through your
That motherfucker
property.
don't even look
How would
real.
you react?
I ain't gonna lie,
In
you
this
got shit.
video, a woman is seen trying to enter the apartment of a total stranger.
She ain't even doing a good job with it. Kick that motherfucker, bitch. If you trying to break in, do something else.
Once again, this shows the importance of locking your doors. You never know when a lunatic might attempt to gain entry.
Y'all hoes weird.
In Fort Lauderdale, Florida, a peculiar incident occurred when an unidentified man approached a random house in the dead of night, seemingly attempting to break in.
Jamil gonna be ready with that thing in his hand, trying to fuck with him. He's gonna be on that couch waiting with two bad bitches around.
Fortunately, the vigilant homeowner had secured their door, thwarting the intruder's cruel intentions. In Phoenix, Arizona, doorbell camera captured a startling video of a woman nonchalantly entering a stranger's house in the dead of night. Her audacious demeanor as she strolls inside without any apparent concern is quite unsettling. The video cuts off abruptly, so no info as to what happened when she got inside. Hopefully, no one was hurt. Could the video
just
from
fun up, bro. I
Oakland,
wanna see something
California
else. I ain't gonna
depict a
lie.
police officer approaching a person's door in the middle of the night and then eventually leaving? Is it possible that the officer was searching for a suspect? What do you think the officer tried at a stranger's house? In Las Vegas, Nevada, surveillance footage captured a group of criminals as they were seen snooping through a parked vehicle.
They got that shit inside that shit.
They took off with some goods and were never caught.
They were never caught.
Doorbell footage situated in Phoenix, Arizona,
hell?
recorded the incident when a woman noticed a large package on a homeowner's porch and decided to take
That's
it
an-
without
hey,
permission.
Bro,
Unbeknownst to
Motherfuckers
her,
I
be
hate
doing
it,
that shit.
bro.
happened to be
Motherfuckers
I'm
be straight doing that shit.
pissed, bro. I think somebody did that's my mama a couple years
in
ago.
broad daylight. This man brazenly attempted to snatch parcels from a complete stranger.
That was a
Listen to how
parcel.
the homeowner scares him off.
Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of there.
Is that mail? What the fuck is a parcel?
A young boy in Texas
sound
made an
familiar.
unexpected visit to a
I
couple's
seen this
home
before.
seeking
He got bullied.
friendship.
He was getting bullied.
Just wanted to see if you knew any kids who were like
he got famous off this shit.
Shaden
He was
Walker
getting bullied
shared
at
that he
school.
had encountered bullying with his previous friends, prompting him to look for new companions.
Okay. Well, they're not my friends anymore
God
because
damn.
they're bullies.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, man.
Even though Brendan Ray, the homeowner, was absent at the time, they carried on their heartwarming conversation through the home camera. Deeply moved by Walker's story,
I'm just wondering, do you have any kids?
Yeah, she's 2 years old, though, man.
Oh, okay, that's great. Because I love 2-year-olds. To be honest.
Cool, man. If I see you around, I'll tell you how.
Okay. You have a good day.
both Ray and his wife
That's sad
decided
as
to
fuck,
share
bro.
the touching interaction
Imagine your
online,
kid coming home to us.
leading to gain millions of views
I'm gonna
rapidly.
go up there and beat that bully ass.
He's begging for someone. He's calling out for some help.
We were both getting emotional over it, and we're like, we need to do something about this.
Driven by compassion, the couple also took it upon themselves to assist and support Walker in his quest for friendship.
Yeah, he too fucking old to be trying to be friends with that little ass nigga, bro.
He getting bullied. We don't got nobody else to go to.
That's understandable, but
In the
still.
Bronx, New York, the video was recorded capturing a package thief.
Can't have
in
fun with that
Indiana.
nigga.
Watch this.
That bitch took off with her shit hella fast. She was like, who the hell?
It appears that this woman believed
That's
she
what I'm
possessed
talking
the
about.
extraordinary
If you trying to
strength
break
of
in,
the
do some shit like
she
this. This bitch is
forcibly
checking the whole place.
door.
That's how Jordan girlfriend gonna be with. Damn!
She breaking that bitch.
Damn!
Locking your doors can't do much against
I ain't
this
fucking with her.
strength.
Dude, she
In the
kicking him.
vibrant city of Austin, Texas,
And they use them
an unexpected group
motherfuckers.
of individuals made a surprise visit that likely left the homeowner in a state of shock.
Joseph, come to the door. Please, with the woman.
Oh, they gave him a warrant by accident. It was somebody who previously lived there.
The officers made a mistake as the suspect they were searching for no longer lives in the house.
That's crazy.
Whatever he did must have been diabolical for this much longer.
Boy, they was finna blast this nigga, bro.
In Bakersfield, California, Ring camera captures the moment when an individual attempts to steal a homeowner's golf cart.
You do it, boy.
However, this plan is foiled as the vigilant homeowner steps outside and swiftly chases the would-be thief away. In this doorbell video from Sacramento, California, a DoorDash delivery driver was caught stealing gloves from a homeowner's property of all things.
What's the purpose?
Hi, can you please put that back?
He took off
Should be
right.
ordering from Uber Eats now.
What's the purpose? I don't.
In Oakland, California, there is footage showing two men trying to break into a random house
That's
in
not a
broad
man.
daylight. You'd think we'll never know what would have happened had
That's
they
a
got
woman.
inside.
Oh God.
In this footage captured in Denver, a man can be seen trying to break into a tenant's residence after being identified as the individual responsible for slashing tires and vandalizing the tenant's car.
Y'all don't see the fucking camera aimed at y'all niggas? Niggas weird as fuck, dude.
Additionally, he made an attempt to entice the woman into his apartment. The video depicts a man who believes he is pregnant.
Come on, not the brother, man. Dude, look at
His
this.
mother's residence, lost in his thoughts.
What? What's he doing?
You barely knocking.
I don't know. You need to leave. This is
That nigga trying to break in like a motherfucker. Exactly, just leave, bro. It's over. Your plan failed, nigga.
Did he really think he was at
Thanks.
In this footage
What the
captured in
fuck?
Bronx, New York, we witnessed an attempted burglar jumping from a balcony, causing damage to a canopy.
They bust their ass.
Shit.
They must have had a big ass
Don't attempt
pistol waving with.
stupidness like that, people.
I know his tailbone
In
fucked up.
Anchorage, Alaska, there is a scary video
You got it, bro.
capturing the presence of a mama bear and her 2 cubs near
You
a
got it.
local resident's house.
Why would you even live? Why those look like my places, bro? Oh, hell no.
Hopefully, no cats were outside.
I got that little backyard area now.
In Fontana, California, doorbell video captures a lady wielding head shears, trying to
Why
enter
these
a
bitches got the
stranger's
same
house during the
fucking
nighttime.
knife?
Same hairstyle. She probably drunk. She got some in the back of her pants. Like some alcohol.
No telling what she intended to do. She was never seen on the property again. An agitated woman is seen relentlessly banging on a person's
The
door
woman.
during the night, displaying
Yeah,
erratic behavior as she
like old
dances
babes was in
around
there.
in a frenzied manner.
It's 5. It's
In the morning.
5:30, bro.